welcome to my channel. My name is Maureen, and this is Modest DIYs. If you're new here, I do Dollar Tree DIYs and lots of DIYs on a budget. So if you like that, then I welcome you to subscribe and join the family. So I want to apologize for my stuffy nose and also all the noise. My son and I are both really sick, and I'm about to get tested for corona. After this, I'm going to the clinic. So today's video is a DIY Beetlejuice collaboration video, and it's with 4 of my friends, lovely ladies. So we got Sue from Discovering the Art of Living, we got Ashley from Adorably Shabby, and then we got Jenny from Lovely Moments Creating. So if you don't know who these ladies are, please go check them out. I will have all their information in my description box, and I will kind of write a little bio about what each of their channels brings to the table, because they're all different and all unique. So please go show them some love when you get done with this video. I appreciate it. So on that note, let's get started. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made these really awesome spooky Beetlejuice themed decor, and I had so much fun with this collab video. Let's do a little fact first. Beetlejuice was originally made to be a horror film. Did you know that? They changed it to the iconic and fun movie we all know and love a little after development. You can find these really awesome striped black and white candle holders from your local Dollar Tree. Taking 2 candlesticks, also from the Dollar Tree, I hot glued them together. I took them outside and gave them 1 coat of Rust-Oleum flat in the black. These are so cute as is, but I wanted to give it a little spooky vibe, so I took some white chalk paint and went over the side just to give it a little rustic Halloween spooky vibe. To finish off the main part, I just hot glued the candle holders into the sticks. I hot glued on 2 eyeballs. You can find this bag of eyeballs at Dollar Tree as well. I love it just like this, but I decided to add some of these little spooky skulls and bats. I painted them white. I left some white and some black, and I knew I was going to use this for a bunch of the other projects, so you can't go wrong. And once I hot glued those on, then this was done. I absolutely love those candlesticks. Alright, fact number 2. There are 3 U.S. states that have spooky names: Frankenstein, Missouri, Eek, Alaska, and Scary, West Virginia. This next DIY is super fast and easy. I just found one of those purple spider web bowls from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it black. I also found these really googly eyes. They're chocolate, and they actually taste really good, also from the Dollar Tree. Put them inside, added some of these little fingers that I found from Michael's craft store. So stinky cute. Don't eat them though, they're plastic. And this was done. Alright, fact number 3. 2 other movie title options for Beetlejuice were Scared Sheetless or House Ghosts. I couldn't even imagine Beetlejuice being anything else, right? Alright, let's make the DIY Beetlejuice wreath. So I found this wreath from Michael's craft store, and it was around $30. This black and white striped bow, also from Michael's craft store, was only $5 on sale. Those eyeballs are from the Dollar Tree. That ribbon is from Michael's craft store, and these fingers were also from Michael's. Then these little bats and spooky skulls were from the Dollar Tree. And lastly, these lights were from Michael's, and these were, I want to say, like $8. They weren't that bad. So as you'll see here, I pretty much just wrapped it all up and I hot glued everything on. I don't mind paying $5 for a pre-made bow because it's so easy and it's just super handy to not have to make a bow myself. When I think of Beetlejuice, I think of the eyeballs, especially the scene where she's hanging in the closet and her eyeballs are hanging out. And so I just thought the eyeballs would be the perfect touch for this wreath, and also the fingers. And so here I was adding in the little bats that I had painted white, bats and skulls. It's time for fact number 4. Beetlejuice, Michael Keaton had met his wife on the set of the movie. A little bonus scene, this is how I make a bow. Now never mind the 3rd-degree burn on my hand and the black spray paint all over. So I just kind of take it, wrap that one over, make sure I flip this before I pull this through this little loop right here. If you follow this exact step, bam, you'll have the easiest little bow in the world. So I then attached or hot glued all the bows onto my wreath. Now when I think of Beetlejuice, I think of purple and lime green for sure. Black and white stripes, purple and green. And this was done. This is so cute. I'm so in love. And what's perfect about this is I will be using this every single year because since I'm pregnant, we are bringing the piano out into the front living room. And so I'm going to have my spooky Halloween village on it and it's going to be perfect. So right here, I was like, oh God, no, that P, it's gotta go. But first, fact number 5. Beetlejuice was Michael Keaton's favorite movie he had ever filmed. Ever. And I can see why. And this last DIY, this beautiful frame I found from Michael's was, all right, let me think, how much was it? This was about $30. Yeah, it wasn't cheap, but this is kind of a more high-end DIY video, which is fine. And so I made the phrase, "It's showtime," and my Cricut maker, because that's his famous classic phrase in the movie. Then I just put it all back together, one step at a time. It was really easy. I added another lime green bow, black and white bow. Also added some skulls I found from Party City. And lastly, this really awesome mesh from the Dollar Tree in spider webs. And this was the perfect final touch to this picture. It was exactly what it needed. Don't you agree? I think this is so pretty. Everything was done. It was time to hang it all up and set it all up by my front door, my entryway, and it's perfect. I love it. It's gonna go perfect with my Halloween piano front room theme every single year, and I'm so excited. This video was so fun to make. I had a blast, like literally so much fun going out of my comfort zone. So I want to say thank you so much to Sue for discovering the art of living, for this wonderful idea. It really brought so much fun and joy to my last couple weeks. So make sure you go and stop by all the ladies' channels, show them some love. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.